On LinkedIn, it's time to get professional. Welcome to #Ace.
Hold on a second.
Much better. LinkedIn is a little different than younger platforms like TikTok or Reels. It's company forward with the largest age group between 46 and 55. It's also where the money's at. Well, your audience's money at least. The more money a person makes and the more education they have makes them more likely to be on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the best home for B2B content, which positions it as a uniquely effective platform for finding leads. 80% of all B2B leads from social media come from LinkedIn. In terms of content strategy, video is still king, earning 3 times more engagement than articles. You can strategize other content types too, even with text only. Posts ending with questions get 50% more engagement, and posts with links get 200% more. While CTAs asking for engagement may be a good strategy on other platforms, this isn't the place to do it. The algorithm will deprioritize content it sees as engagement baiting. With all that in mind,